Hello students, I think you all will be fine. This is your next video on addition and subtraction. In this video, I am going to solve some question and answers and you have to understand them carefully. So I am going to solve the first question for you. This will be a chapter revision. What should be added to 11,29,301 to get 25,583? I am writing the question also. What should be added to 11,29,301? That means we have to add something to this number. इसमें हमको कुछ add करना है. We have to add something. अब क्या add करना है? We don't know that. So we will put a blank like here. We can put A, B, C, anything. But I am putting a blank. Okay. Now something is added to this number and what we have got? We have got 25,583. 25,583. So now you have to tell me how I have to proceed. I am giving you time to guess also. Yes students, you all are right. Here it is plus, as I have taught you in the earlier class also. This 11,29,301 is in plus. When it will go on the right hand side, it will become minus. We can consider x also, we can consider blank also. So to find out the value of this blank, we have to subtract 11,29,301 from this number. Now I am going to subtract it. 11,29,301. I am subtracting it. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 minus 9, not possible. We will take carry. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what will be the answer, students? The answer will be 13,71,288. I am placing the commas according to the groups. And this is Indian number system. Okay students, this is Indian number system. So the comma will be placed here. So in 11,29,301 we will add 13,71,282 to get 25,583. यानी कि 11,29,301 में जब आप 13,71,282 को ऐड करोगे तब आपको ये मिलेगा 25,583. So this was your first solution. Students, it's a request from all of you. If you don't understand the video, watch it again. आप इसको दोबारा देखिए और ध्यान से देखिए. Then only you will be able to understand if you are not able to understand in the first go. Now I am going to solve the second question for you. The second question is 51,69,000 minus 0 is equals to. Please tell me what will be the answer. Yes students, you all are right. As I have told you in the addition and subtraction fact, whenever we add something, whenever we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. In the same way, when we are subtracting 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. So the answer will be 51,69,000. So second question is also solved. Now I am going to solve third question for you. What should be subtracted from 26,10,000 to get 19,47,385? Now this is the number 26,10,000. Now what should we subtract from this number? Now subtract means minus. Here it was addition, so it was plus. Now here it is subtract, that means it is minus. So what should be subtracted from 26,10,000 to get what? क्या मिलेगा हमको इसे subtract करने से? 19,47,358. Okay students, now you have to tell me. It's 385, sorry. Now you have to tell me What should I do in this number in order to find out the solution? 26,10,000 में से हम क्या माइनस करेंगे जिससे हमें 19,47,385 मिल जाए? उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चों? प्लीज टेल मी. यस, यू ऑल आर राइट. हमको ये यहाँ पे प्लस में है, जब ये यहाँ आ जाएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, सो इट विल बी इन माइनस. तो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर फ्रॉम 26,10,000. अब मैं यहाँ पे आपका माइनस करने जा रही हूँ. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. So 10 minus 5 is 5. It will 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 3 is 6. Here 9 minus 7 is 2. Here it will be 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 9 is not possible. We have to take carry. It will become 16. 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. It will become 1. So here it will be 0. So the answer will be 6,62,615. That means when we will subtract 6,62,615 from 26,10,000, then we will get this. So this is how we solve this types of question. Now I am going to solve the next question for you, please. So students, I am going to solve the next question for you. By how much is 15,46,824 greater than 12,18,452? I am writing the numbers for you. 15,46,824. Whenever you are watching my video, it's a request from my side. You have to watch the video with pen and paper so that you can note down each and everything which I explain in the video. Because maths is the subject in which you will not practice, you are not going to understand anything. So you have to practice along with me. Okay students? So now I am writing the other number. The other number is 12,18,452. So the question is, by how much this number is greater than this? यानी कि 15,46,824 12,18,452 से कितना बड़ा है और कितना ज़्यादा बड़ा है, मतलब व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस, कितने, बाय हाउ मच इट इज़ ग्रेटर. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी आर गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तभी पता चलेगा ना कि कितना बड़ा है नंबर. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फॉर यू. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 5 not possible, so carry will be taken. It will be 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Carry. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3,28,372. यानी कि 15,16,824 12,18,452 से इतना बड़ा है. So the answer will be 3,28,372. This much is the difference between the numbers. The number was 15,46,000, not 16. Now I am going to solve the next question for you. That is a word problem. Please pay attention. I am reading the question first for you. A company pays 72,45,506 as salaries for its employees in 1 month. यानी कि एक कंपनी है जो अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को कितना पे कर रही है, 72,45,506. So in total this much amount is taken from the company in order to pay the employees. सबकी सैलरी इतने अमाउंट से बन रही है together. Okay students, in 1 month, and pays rupees 10,68,297 towards electricity bill. Now what is the electricity bill of the company? 10,68,297. This much amount is for electricity bills. Now, and other expenses are also included in this. What is the total expenditure of the company for 1 month? So what is the total expenditure? So first statement will be amount spent in the salaries of the employee, or the amount used for the salary, amount used for salary. Now the next statement will be amount used for electricity and expenses. दोनों चीज़ें हुई थी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड एक्सपेंसेस बोथ. Now, the last statement would be total expenditure of the company. Total means what we have to do in this question? Please tell me, students. Yes, students, you all are right. We have to add in this question. Total means we have to add. 6 plus 7 is 13. 9 plus 1, 10. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 5, 13. 11. So the answer is 83,13,903. What is the answer? 803, because here it will be 6 plus 2, 8. 803. Okay, students. So these were 5 questions. Now I am going to solve the filling the blanks. Please pay attention. So students, this is the last question which I am going to solve. So this is a number 44,06,990. In between there is a blank. So you have to tell me plus or minus. That means कि हम लोगों ने इसमें और इन दोनों numbers को add किया है या subtract किया है जब हमारा ये result आया है. So how will you analyze कि यहाँ पर add हुआ है या subtract हुआ है? I am going to give you a trick. Let's see the first digit of this number. 4. Here it is 1. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer, that means the result starts from 5. That means we must have added. Now the next one is, here it is 80 lakh 63, 58 lakh 60,459. Now this is 8 and this is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, but here it is 2. That means we must have taken carry. 8 would have became 7 और इसी वजह से यहाँ पे क्या आया है? 2 आया है. That means the number is less. So here it is subtracted. So this is how you will identify whether we have added or subtracted. So please, I am solving it for you. The first one. Please pay attention, students. This was added, right? So I am adding it for you. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. 7 plus 2, 9, 0, 9, 5. So the answer will be 59,09,490 for first one. Now the second one we have to subtract. So I am going to subtract it for you. Can we subtract 3 from 9? No, we have to take carry. It will become 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 minus 4 is not possible. It will become 10. Now we are going to take carry. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. So students, these were some questions which I have solved for you. I hope you must have understood them properly. Now I request you all to do all these questions in your classwork copy, and this is your today's work. Okay students?